practical sessions of what we are explained about the yoga science, the step by step, what are the simplified easy methods to daily practice. We will see one by one step, just follow with me what I am doing. I am doing as a demo one time, as per the prescribed times you have to repeat it. Now I am starting all the asanas, pranayama and meditation as a demo. Now I am starting, just observe. It is Surya Namaskara, will be start like this. When I am coming front, take inhale, exhale. When I am going back, inhale. Exhale, inhale. So, this is one cycle. Like this you have to do at least 3 times daily. This is one cycle pranayama. Now, pranayama is completed. Now, Surya Namaskar is completed. We will go for pranayama. In this pranayama, first sit in any comfortable posture like Sukhasana, Siddhasana or Vajrasana, any one. Then start first one what we explained, Nadi Shodhana, to clean the Sushumna Nadi, like this. Inhale in one nostril, exhale from the same nostril, just hold for 1 second. After that, with the right nostril, inhale, then exhale. This is one cycle. Like that, you have to do it for 5 minutes. So that your Sushumna Nadi, the central Nadi will be clean, it will be forced to clean. After that, next, second one, what we discussed about Anulom Vilom with Chakra Dhyana. So, focus on central nervous system, all the chakras from Muladhara to Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahat, Vishuddha, Agneya and Sahasrara, and take inhalation, exhalation. While taking inhalation, go through, imagine that your breath is forcing through the central nervous system of Sushumna Nadi through all the chakras as a upward, like I am visualizing all the chakras while inhalation to top, from bottom to top. When it is reaching to Sahasrara, just hold, then exhale, like same visualize the all the chakras, it is moving during exhalation from top to Sahasrara to bottom through all the chakras like Agneya, Vishuddha, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana and Muladhara. So, this is one inhalation. You take this inhalation slowly with more time, like normally we have discussed 4 seconds on inhalation, here it will take more time, about 15 seconds it will take. So, that you will be improve your breathing system as well as cleaning of the chakras as well as cleaning of the nadis, so that our science will work here. I am doing now. See how much time it took, about 15 seconds it might have took. So, this much you have to do it for about 12 times, then after increase to 21, 28 like that. Then after third one, it is called Mahamudra. It is like that, sit like here, put here, as much as you possible stretch it, there is no compulsion to move it to perfection, slowly it will improve. Inhale and hold here, after holding Now exhalation. First, before doing inhalation, first to right leg, now left leg inhalation, inhale, hold the breath and front, hold for 5 seconds, then come back and exhale. One with right leg, one with left leg, then after 2 legs. So, this is one cycle with both the legs. Again I am doing it. Exhalation. Exhalation. With 2 legs, inhale, hold, exhalation, over. So, like this you do it at least 3 times after the Anulom Vilom. Next, you have to go for Jyoti Mudra. This is to be like that, it is improving the lungs functionality and capacity. So, hold the breath as much as you can, what we discussed in the science, like this. Keep here, inhale full of the lungs. After holding, close all the nostrils, mouth, all, and hold the breath inside. Concentrate at Agjaya, don't speak. At least 40 seconds you have to hold it, so that it is good one. After that relax for a while. There is no hurry to do it one by one speed, just for demo I am showing here. You can take your relaxation as your own requirement. This is only one time you have to do it. After this completion, then we have to go for 3 bandhas. First one is Moola Bandha, that means inhale fully, then close the Mooladhara place, that is the bottom tip of the anus place, and hold it, hold the breath, close that and hold the breath for 6 seconds or 12 seconds. Slowly you can increase from 6 to 12. After that, exhale and normal. You can do it 3 times like this. Inhale, close the anus, hold for 6 seconds, exhale. Next, Udana Bandha. Then this is with exhalation. First one is inhalation, it is to be done with exhalation. Remove complete air and hold it at Mooladhara Manipura chakra place, focus on that place and hold for 6 to 12 seconds, slow improvement. Then inhale, again inhale. Udana Bandha is over. Next, third one, Jalandhar Bandha, third one. These bandhas are for cleaning of the knots, clearing of the different knots of Brahmanadi, Brahma Grandhi, Vishnu Grandhi and Rudra Grandhi. Now, this is third one I am doing, Jalandhar Bandha. This is also inhalation only. Take inhale and close the throat. Hold for 6 to 12 seconds. exhale. So, like this again I am doing. Inhale, close the throat, exhale. Individually we have did now, we will do for combined 3 bandhas at a time, each individual 3 times, combined also 3 times. So, this combined is with exhalation only, do not make inhalation, it will take health effects. So, exhale first, then close anus, Jalandhar and Udana, all these 3 like this, hold for 6 to 12 seconds. So, it will clear the completely movement of Kundalini upward by cleaning all these 3 knots, 3 grandhis. It is very, very effective when Kundalini is active. Like this you do it 3 times. Again I am doing exhale completely, then closing the anus and throat. So, like this 3 times you can do it. After this, last one of the pranayama is Shambhavi Mudra. See like this at the place of Tratak, Ajnaya Chakra, focusly and take breath, inhale and hold at the Ajnaya Chakra for 12 seconds. After that, close eyes and exhale. This is the procedure of Shambhavi Mudra. You can see in the YouTube some other forms also may be available. This is best one as per my view. Again I am doing 3 times, you have to do it. Then close the eyes, exhale. Completed 3 times. This is the summary of pranayama. You have to do this both Surya Namaskar and pranayama morning time. Then after last one is third part is meditation. How to do it? Just sit like this. After completion, this can be done in the evening if time permits. After continuation also you can do it. Sit like this, left hand bottom, top hand in the top, and touch both the thumbs, so that it will continuity of your electromagnetic forces of the fields of your body with universal forces. It will connect like this. Then what you did in the pranayama and Surya Namaskara, that effects will be work now here. So, simply sit here, do not think anything, whatever the thoughts will come and flow, go, just observe. If it is disturbing, just focus on your breathing. So, breathing, what we discussed like that, breathing is a good opposer for thoughts, but actual ultimately you have to come out from the both breathing as well as thoughts. Do not observe anything, voluntarily it will move. In this movement what happens, when activates this Kundalini, automatically